This is Nancy with Fix This House, and this is our Bosch Super Silence Plus 39 dBA dishwasher. Today I'd like to show you how to remove and reinstall the top rack right here. Top rack, I should say the second rack, because there's a top rack right here for silverware and such, but we're talking about the next one, the middle rack. So it has a little lever here for lifting and lowering. It has one on both sides, like so. So you can lift it up, push that in, comes down. I don't know that it matters where you have it when you try to take it out, but all you need to do is to lift up so that this wheel goes above this hook on both sides. Keep pulling. You'll get to the next one, lift up and pull it off both sides, okay? Let me show you that one more time, close up. We pull the rack out, and here's the wheel here, and a wheel here and here. Let's see if we can get in on that. 1, 2, 3 wheels. Lift up like so. Then over here, you're gonna lift up. You might have to like wiggle it a little bit. Lift up and pull it off, okay? And that's how you remove the top rack, the middle rack, I should say. All right, once you've done that, you need to then put it back on. So here's what we do. I have these out, and I'm going to take the rack and tilt it like this so I can get it over top of the hook with the first wheel. So it's going to go in between these two wheels right here. You see that? It helps a little bit if it stays out. Then lower it and get over this bottom hump with this bottom wheel. Push it back, lift up some more, and you need to go over this one here with the first wheel. And then you push it back in. If it doesn't go, lift a little bit and push. Goes all the way in, comes all the way out, in, out. And there you have it. That's how you remove and replace your middle rack in your Bosch dishwasher. Hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need a better angle to be able to see it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.